I have a doc that I want to use as my background. Can I do that? Yeah, you can do it in a couple ways. So if you want to have it just as a background behind you when you're recording on your basic webcam, you can do this. So if I was in here, I'm going to click my red camera icon right up here at the top. And if I'm recording here and I want to put something behind me, just take a screenshot on your computer of the document, like a screenshot of it. And then you go down here, click virtual background, go to your photos right here. And then you're going to upload into this area that document, that screenshot. And then once it's in your video library in here, then you just, let's just pretend this is the screen, the document. Just select that there, and then it will put it behind you if you want to talk about it and just make sure it's framed right, it's over your shoulder or something. Now, if you wanted to do it where you're the bubble on the screen, walking someone through something, you can do it like this. So what you can do is pull up a doc. Let's see, I'll just grab this one here. Let's just say this is the document that I want to, someone to see and I want to be on it at the same time as well. I can use the Dubb desktop app right up here at the top. Just click record screen. It's going to open up. I'm going to choose custom right here. So now I can crop. Here, let me close these two things. Now I can crop around whatever I want to crop around because that's the custom drop down right here. It says custom. And then once I have this, I'm going to go like this. Let's go like this. I'm going to bring the sides here. I'm going to drag it all the way down. And then I'm just going to move this out of the way. You won't be able to see it in the recording, but I'm just going to move it down here. And then I'm going to put myself on the screen. If I want to be on the screen here, right? Here I am at the top. I can make myself a little bit bigger if I want to. Just like this. I don't want to cover too much of the info. But what I can do is I can hit record and do this. Hey, welcome into this video. I want to talk a little bit about what we have going on here in this document. Number one, what we're going to say on camera. And then I'm going to cover right over here, set yourself up for success. And then I'm going to cover down here, practice makes progress, not perfection. And obviously, always you want to focus on the person you're sending the video to. So this is how you can kind of use the annotation tool and be on screen with the screenshot that you want of the document if you want to kind of point some things out and do your thing there. If you just want it behind you, then again, basic webcam recorder that I just showed and put it as a virtual background right behind you. And those would kind of be the two options there for that.